Zara woke to a morning that felt as dry as yesterday. The village, well, usually bustling with laughter and chatter, was almost silent, its water level barely a shimmer. She looked at her small, potted plant, its leaves drooping in silent protest, and a pang of sadness squeezed her heart. But then, a memory sparked in her mind. Her grandmother's stories of a hidden spring, a place where water always flowed, guarded by an ancient, wise tree. A tiny, determined flame of hope flickered in Zara's eyes, illuminating her resolve. With a small, empty canteen and her grandmother's precious map tucked safely in her pocket, Zara set off on her adventure. The sun beat down, and the path was dusty and long, but her spirit was as strong as the ancient tales that guided her. After what felt like an eternity of walking, Zara arrived at a clearing. In its heart stood a magnificent, ancient willow tree.
Have you ever wanted to turn your ideas into a real storybook without spending a single dime? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a full storybook in seconds, completely free. Make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any of the steps.
I'm really excited to share this with you. I'm really excited. I don't keep any updates. Is secret. All right, so now let's go to our Chrome browser. All right, so when you go to your Chrome browser, just type in Gemini AI. All right, so after that you select search. All right, so this is the one we're going to work with. Once you select the once you type in the word, you will see a lot of things. All right, so we're going to select this one, Gemini. All right, so let's select chat with Gemini. All right, now the first thing to do is you see this icon, you see this side, just this side, this trace length. Just you see Storybook, select Storybook. All right, so when you select Storybook, you will see a template of different stories you can actually use in order to generate your own story. So actually I'm going to type in my own prompt, what I actually want to create. All right, so this is what I told Google Gemini: generate a pizza 3D animation. So I said generate a pizza 3D animation story in 16:9 aspect ratio. The story is about a 9-year-old girl called Zara. She is beautiful with dark skin, caramel glowing skin. All right, her hair is large, voluminous, and coily. It should be educational, informative, and should end with a moral lesson. So let's hit generate. All right, so let's hit generate. So and wait for some minutes. All right, it is processing our story. Our story is ready. So this is it. This is our story. This is the cover. I think I'm supposed to add the back cover. I don't know if it's going to generate that. So this is the Zara and the Whispering Willow by me. All right, so this is...
Before we dive in, if you're getting value already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss tutorials like this. If you're getting value from this so far, give the video a like and share it with a friend who has a story to tell. And if you have questions or need help, drop a comment. I read them all.
This is the option where you can listen to it. So let's listen to it. So select this listen.
Zara and the Whispering Willow. Zara woke to a morning that felt as dry as yesterday. The village, well, usually bustling with laughter and chatter, was almost silent, its water level barely a shimmer. She looked at her small, potted plant, its leaves drooping in silent protest, and a pang of sadness squeezed her heart. But then, a memory sparked in her mind. Her grandmother's stories of a hidden spring, a place where water always flowed, guarded by an ancient, wise tree. A tiny, Determined flame of hope flickered in Zara's eyes, illuminating her resolve. With a small, empty canteen and her grandmother's precious map tucked safely in her pocket, Zara set off on her adventure. The sun beat down, and the path was dusty and long, but her spirit was as strong as the ancient tales that guided her. After what felt like an eternity of walking, Zara arrived at a clearing. In its heart stood a magnificent, ancient willow tree, its branches reaching towards the sky like welcoming, emerald arms, a stark contrast to the dry land she had traversed. As Zara cautiously approached, the tree's leaves shimmered with an inner light, and a gentle, rustling voice whispered, "Welcome, little one. You seek the water's secret, do you not?" It was Elder Willow, the ancient guardian of the spring. Elder Willow patiently explained how water travels from the sky as rain, flows through rivers, and seeps into the earth, only to rise again as springs. It is a precious journey, a continuous dance, a gift for all living things, the tree murmured, its voice as soothing as a gentle stream. But the dance is disrupted when we waste it, when we forget its value, Elder Willow continued, its leaves sighing softly. The hidden spring you seek is a gift, but it needs our care, our respect, to keep flowing for everyone, always. Then, Elder Willow revealed a small, sparkling spring hidden among its gnarled roots. The water was crystal clear and wonderfully cool, a true lifeline for the parched land, bubbling with life and promise. Zara understood completely. She carefully filled her canteen, not just for her thirsty village, but with a new promise in her heart, to teach everyone to cherish every single drop, to respect the water's precious journey. Back in her village, Zara shared the water and the profound wisdom of Elder Willow. The villagers listened, learned, and began to conserve, and slowly, miraculously, the well began to fill again, a testament to Zara's brave journey and their collective, newfound care.
Alright, so this is the story. So in order to scroll back, alright, so the next thing to do now is to select this option. This is where you go backwards. You see, if you want to flip it, you just go back. Keep on flipping. When you flip it, you go backwards. Can you see how beautiful this story is? And the good part is that it has a consistent character. Can you see how it is? Alright, can you see how beautiful it is? Now, let me teach you how to download this. Alright, you have to download this as you have to print it out as a PDF. Alright, so this particular site, they're actually working on it. I believe that sooner enough we will start downloading this, okay, as our property. So now you have to select this option where you print it. You select this option and print it, and select this particular option. This is it. I'll click on it now. You can actually copy the link and share. Alright, so here is where you print it. Okay, so that is it. Now if you want to listen to it, you just have to click on listen. Then if you select this option, it says higher pitched voice, lower pitched voice. Okay, then start from the beginning. If you want it to start from the beginning, then if you want it to not to be in a full screen, just select here. Okay, so that is it. If you want it to be in a full screen, just select here. So then if you want to start from the beginning, this is where you select. So that is all. You can actually sell this in Amazon or any of the sites where books are being sold. Alright, so this is an advantage. You have to utilize it. You have to use it ASAP, because whatever thing that is free is limited. It is limited, so you have to grab this opportunity. And one thing I love about this site is that it doesn't even waste your time. Imagine going to Canva to create kids storybook. It will take you hours, but this one you don't even need to write a script. It writes script by itself. All you need to do is to type in the prompt of the kind of story that you want, whether you want a Pixar 3D, whether you want realistic, whether you want an anime, whether you want a 2D, okay, animation, whatever animation you want or realistic is here to give it to you. All right, so utilize this opportunity, utilize it ASAP. All right, so I believe you got something from this. Now you can be able to create your own storybook with just closing your eyes. You've created a storybook by yourself. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself about this. Okay, so that is it. I can't wait to see yours. I can't wait to see yours.
Now you know exactly how to create a storybook for free in just a few seconds. What's stopping you? Start today. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it. And check the description below for my coaching links and free creator resources. See you in the next video.